Hi, so the quickest of updates on this. Remember how I didn't have this in quite as long as I would have, and I was a little bit worried that I was gone for a week and a half. So if you take this off on this side, like this is basically just a big algae mess. Would it be easier to see if I did this? Yes. So there, I don't see any plant, and this is the sweet Anne. And then over here, we have the Alpine, which is also a big algae mess. And I don't see anything really. But here, this is exciting. Look, there is one teeny little bear. So cute. Hopefully the algae doesn't kill it, but we have one Albion plant to plant eventually. And then I was just going to continue incubating this. I'm going to check the Alpine first here, even though I took the sweet Anne off. Okay. Can you see anything? Unfortunately, I do not see a plant here. I see two seeds that haven't sprouted. So that'll probably be that for the Alpine. But look here for the sweet Anne. Oh, that's so cute. It's right in the middle. So, yeah. We have a sweet Anne plant, which is good because I think I'm in the process of killing the parent. And then, all of these have a lot of algae on the top. It's probably because you're supposed to, put a covering over the thing so that only the hole gets sunlight. Whatever. This is so cute. Yeah, so, this is the Albion. So both of my Albions work or sprouted, and the paper towels don't look like they have done anything sprouted yet. But what I'm gonna do is I just bought some sprouting trays and some growing cup things with like peat moss. And I'm gonna buy a new hydroponic system to house a bunch of strawberries. So in a couple of years, I'm gonna have a bunch of strawberries.